Hi everyone. I just wanted to share a couple of more features within PowerPoint. So this is a PowerPoint with more GIF graphics interchange format. So if you wanted to view this PowerPoint, you're welcome to. What I wanted to introduce in this one is what's called Notes. If you were to click View in the tab on the ribbon, you could choose Notes, or down on the status bar there is actually a button to click Notes, and what happens is it has an area on the very bottom underneath the slide, and you can give yourself more space if you need it, and you would add a message: pass handouts to participants. You could have any notes you wanted on your particular slide. Then if we were to File, Print, you could either, normally when you print, one slide would print on one size paper, and it's usually in landscape. So if you were to choose where it says full page slides, that's the default. You could choose with notes so that you have the slide and the notes that go with that slide. The most common type of printing out PowerPoint presentations is what's called 3 slides, so that you have 3 slides on each paper and a place for notes to take notes on them on the slides. Another popular one is 6 slides per sheet, so you're conserving on paper. So I'm just going to go back to the slideshow. So you could have your notes on your screen at the same time that you're looking at your from your computer when you're presenting, so that the presenter's computer is different from what they're projected on the screen. So to do that, if we were go to slideshow, and if you were to, on the very bottom, it's hard to see, but there are options on the bottom. If you hover on the bottom left corner, there are buttons to advance, to draw, to zoom in, but I'm going to choose the 3 dots, which are usually more options, and I'm going to put on what's called Show Presenter View. So what happens is this main slide will be shown on the projection for all of your participants or students to see, and then what will happen is the next slide would show up on the right hand side. And so this is the current slide that everyone sees. This is my upcoming next slide, and these are my notes on the particular slide that I'm looking at. So you can actually look over on your computer and you can see your notes, and you can prepare and get ready for your next slide, and all that the students or participants are seeing is the main slide. So that's what's called presenter view. So if I click the next slide, again I'm on the current slide, this is the upcoming slide, and then if I had any notes on there. So that's what's called presenter view. So I'll just hide presenter view and go back to the PowerPoint. So I just wanted to share with you the notes page and the presenter view. So there's nothing to hand in. I just wanted to share this with you. Thank you.